Christy here from makingitinthemountains.com, and today I'm so excited to share our simple spring mantle. Hello again and welcome back to my channel. I am so excited to be taking part in this spring DIY home decor challenge hosted by my sweet friend Christina at the DIY Mommy. I always love taking part in these challenges whenever I can. I find it such a great way to connect with other people here on YouTube, and of course I love checking out all of the other home decor ideas. So today, as I said, I'm going to be sharing my simple spring mantle decor. I've mentioned in my videos a few times now that the first space I tend to decorate with each change in season is our master bedroom. I just really like to switch up the bedding and the decor items to keep everything feeling as cozy as possible all year round. Now, if you've been following along with me for a while, you'll know how much I love to keep things simple, and this mantle is no different. With just a few key items and a bit of space to let them breathe, I think our mantle has that perfect light and airy feel that everyone is craving this time of year. So let me show you how I put it all together. So in keeping with the light and airy feeling of spring, I wanted to keep my decor really simple too, working with light colors, fresh florals, and some open space to let it all breathe. I started with some simple silver candlesticks at either end of my mantle and the most beautiful crystal jar candle in the center. Then I added in a collection of bottle vases filled with some simple wax flowers that I picked up at the grocery store. I scattered in some lovely mercury glass votives accented with white, silver, and gold tones. I really love that both of these elements can be purchased as a set, so I can have that collected look without all the guesswork and hunting around. A beautiful wooden candlestick collection for the floor in front and a basket of throw blankets to the side really makes everything feel cozy, yet light and airy still. It's really just a few simple elements, but they all come together so beautifully to create that light and airy farmhouse feel. Alright friends, I hope you enjoyed my spring mantle decor this year, and even though I kept it really simple, I hope you found some inspiration to work into your own spring decor. Be sure to keep an eye out for my spring bedroom tour coming to my blog and YouTube channel in the coming weeks. Now, if you like this video, I would love for you to give it a thumbs up below and subscribe to my channel for even more farmhouse style DIY, decor, and recipe ideas. And of course, be sure to check out the rest of the beautiful spring ideas shared throughout the playlist linked in the description box below. Thanks again, and we'll chat soon.